Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. During our last video we talked about hair loss and we talked about the many ways that you can, cover up your head and look absolutely gorgeous without having hair. And we talked about the many reasons why people lose hair. People lose hair because they may have thyroid issues, or basically they're stressed out, or they're missing some protein in the diet. Your diet really matters. And a lot of the ladies are actually going through chemotherapy and they are losing their hair and they are really stressed out about it actually. So today I'm wearing, I just cut a stocking. I didn't use a wig cap. I needed that length, that extra length. So I cut the stocking and I'm using that part because I'm going to be showing 2 or 3 styles. And I need that height. I need the length of that stocking. So today I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can wrap your head to look absolutely gorgeous. Yeah. So I try to wear something that matches the design that I'm about to show you. So I have a gray scarf. Your scarf has to be approximately 6 feet long, right? By probably about 2-3 feet wide. So you need that length because as you wrap and you roll and you tie, you need that length. Yeah, so I have a gray one which matches some specs in my dress, and I have this burgundy one. Yeah, we're going to have a double collar head wrap. So first I'm gonna take the red one. It depends on whatever you want on top or what color you want to show more. So because I have a red dress, I'm going to put the gray one beneath. So what I do is I fold it in 2. I fold my scarf in 2, and then I go ahead and I tie it to the back. The knot is going to be to the back. Yeah, so I go ahead and tie it. Make a knot in the back. And then I'm going to go ahead with equal length on either side. I'm going to go ahead and tie the burgundy on top. So I'm going to go ahead, just a slight fold to minimize the width of it. So I'm going to tie the burgundy, leaving about 1 inch or 2 at the front so my gray color can be displayed. So I go ahead, make sure it's even on either side, and tie a knot. So I'm going to go ahead and tie a knot. Can be a little difficult to manipulate. Based on the width of the scarf, it can be a little hard to manipulate since you're working with 2 scarves. So go ahead and put that knot. Oh, okay. I'm struggling with that one. Okay, here we go. There we go. So I have my double knot, yeah, 2 scarves with a couple inches, 1 or 2 inches showing in the front. So with my 4 pieces, I'm going to go ahead and roll the scarf over each other. Roll one piece over each other so you can show that double color. So go ahead and roll, roll, roll. And once you are done rolling, you go ahead, tighten it just a little bit, so twist it just a little bit to get that tight fit, and then you go over your scarf, your head with it, and tuck it. Now the tucking is what's the key. The tucking is what's going to keep your headpiece together. Okay, so you tuck, and then you do the same on this side. Wrap. I mean, you roll. You roll the two colors together. Roll two colors together. And then, once you have them all rolled up, you twist just a little for that tightness. You twist it just a little, and you come over. You come over the top with that double color, yeah? And then you tuck it. You tuck it under your scarf. I mean, under the body itself. So you go ahead and tuck. Tuck. Make sure it's tightly tucked in and you're not showing any pieces. Once you have it tucked on either side and it's tight and nothing is showing, like the little tassels are showing, you know you have a complete head wrap and it's tight and it's not going to fall apart. Okay, so this is it. Style number 1 is burgundy and gray, matches my dress, and it's dual color. This is it. Burgundy and gray. There you go. Yeah. So this is style number 1. I'm going to show you 3 different styles today. Go ahead and take that off. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. I'm going to take it off. And since I'm going to be working with the burgundy for this one, this second style is going to be a turban style wrap. So I'm going to use the burgundy because it has a little more length than the gray one. But what I need to do is once you're tying a turban, you want the height. You don't just want a head wrap, but you also want the height. You want it to look, you know, up there. So I'm going to use this scarf, or you can use anything, any other any piece of cloth or something. And I'm going to stuff it into this right here. Stuff it into the stocking. Stuff it into the stocking. So I have the height. You can tell I have the height. Now you can wrap it with a second tie to keep it together, but since this is tight and it's sturdy and you know it's not going to go anywhere, you go ahead and you wrap. So you use your scarf. Just give it a slight fold just to reduce on the width of it. Just a slight fold. And then you go ahead and wrap like this. You want equal length on either side. Equal length on either side. Like this. And then you bring it to the front. You're going to bring it to the front. I think I have a little more length on this left side. So let's go ahead and adjust the length. I'm going to adjust the length so we can have equal length on either side. Yeah. All you do is you just wrap it. You don't have to knot it or anything. You just go ahead and wrap. So you wrap it, one wrap in front, and then you go back to the back with it and you tuck it underneath. And then go ahead and tuck this one underneath. And then you just, you know, fix it up real good so you don't have anything showing. The key to these wraps is how you tuck it. Yeah. So make sure nothing is showing. And this one is a turban style wrap. And what you can do is, if you have a pin, like one of your dressy pins, you just stick it at the front. I think I had a pin, but so there we go. There we go. It's your turban style, but you have that height. Yeah, you have the height. Style number 2. All right. Now we're going to go to style number 3. Go ahead and unwrap. We're going to go ahead and unwrap. And we are going to remove that stuffing. The stuffing that gave it the height. Take it off. For this style, I'm going to use what we call madras. It's madras fabric. It's like a plaid. It's very pretty. And it's going to give you a beautiful African look. So we're going to go ahead and tie it from the back. Make sure it's equal on both ends. Tie from the back. Yeah, like this. Equal on both ends. And bring it to the front. Bring it to the front. And tie a knot at the front. A knot at the front. And once you've tied that knot at the front, you want to go ahead and tie it in the form of a bow, like a big bow. So you go ahead and form that bow in the front. And once you form that bow, I'm going to come a little closer. So once you form that bow and it's tight enough, you're going to spread it like a butterfly wing. So you go ahead and you spread it. Spread the bottom and spread the top, like a butterfly wing, and make sure that, you know, nothing is showing, like the little pieces. So you just, you know, tuck it underneath. The key is the butterfly design. Let's see. Make it a little tighter. And go ahead and tuck the little piece underneath your thing. Make sure the cap is not showing, and then just spread it open. Open it up and open the top, and you have that bow design. So see? This is style number 3. It's what we call a tête cassée. It's French. Beautiful head wrap with a butterfly design. A bow at the front, or you can just shift it to the side if you choose to, and make sure your little undercap is not showing. Take it to the side and just open up your bow. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you're wearing a big loop, an earring loop. Give you that French design. This is it, style number 3, your bow. Thank you. I hope you really like it. Thank you so much. I'm going to be showing you some more head wraps. Make you look beautiful. You don't feel like going to the beautician. You just want to relax and make yourself look wonderful, gorgeous. Tie your head and keep stepping. Yeah? Thank you. If this is your first time coming to my channel, I would appreciate if you would go ahead and subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button. And hit that bell if you love it, you love your styles. Go ahead and give a thumbs up, because we are coming out with more head wraps. Make our ladies look beautiful regardless of what ethnic group you belong to. Tying your head is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, head wrap tutorial number 2. We'll be coming up with more design. Go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.